Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D Tech with the unboxing of the ESPERANZA Hadron Powerbank. A really budget-oriented powerbank from ESPERANZA with a nomenclature of Internet Explorer. Now, this is a really light box. There can be found with different colors: black, white, red, green and blue. Of course, our color of choice is the ugly white one that reminds of a Mac. The power bank is of 4400 mAh, so it's okay for 1 or 2 charges of a modern smartphone. And let's open the box. The whole packaging is nothing special, but as I said, this was a budget-oriented power bank. So here we have it. The USB charging cable for a smartphone or for the power bank, and the cable seems to me really slim and not really long. Okay, and this is the power bank with the connections here for USB, the nomenclature, the glossy finish. Okay, and here's the specs. Really nice touch, nothing else here. All the paperwork seems to be inside the box. Yes, here is the manual, all the special features, your warranty, and everything you need to know is here. The most important paper in the whole package. Now let's connect the cable. A cheap build nonetheless, but it's really handy to carry it around. It's an absolute utilitarian gadget, so it feels cheap as it is cheap. This was the unboxing of the ESPERANZA Hadron Powerbank. From M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.